तब भी ऑफ ही था, आंसर के समय भी ऑफ था क्या? आंसर, वो आंसर जब किया था तब कौन था? नहीं, बट ये तो है। ओके, we can see a membrane in the vitreous freely floating in the vitreous cavity. Along with that, we can see some freely moving homogeneous echoes, suggesting that this is vitreous detachment. इधर भी देखना। In the right eye, we can see that there is a floating membranes, similar picture with thick echoes, and at some places the membrane is thickened. Along with that, there are internal echoes also, which are freely moving with the movement of the eyeball. So these are vitreous membranes. You can see the floating membranes and internal echoes. राइट आई का कुछ था क्या? राइट आई, ओके। This also, on the right side also, it suggests vitreous detachment along with vitreous hemorrhage. This thick arrow. This thick echoes suggest vitreous hemorrhage. हो गया, उठा लो। नेक्स्ट,
A case of 36-year-old female who complains of diminution of vision in the left eye since 7 days. The patient also complains of seeing floaters in the left eye.
डोळे बंद करा।
The patient, on clinical examination, the patient was diagnosed to be a case of left eye high myopia with temporal retinal detachment and a large tear from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock.
So there is a problem in the left eye. We will first examine the right eye. Okay, we will see the left eye, then we will go to the right eye. Now here, the anterior chamber is normal, the lens convexity is maintained. However, in the posterior segments, we can see that there is a highly reflective thick membrane extending from the optic disc to the ora serrata, very classical of retinal detachment, V-shaped or funnel-shaped appearance. Along with that, we can see thick echoes, clumping echoes suggestive of vitreous hemorrhage, chronic vitreous hemorrhage. Along with that, there are fine echoes also suggestive of vitreous hemorrhage. Now, if we can see we can see some internal echoes posterior to the retinal detachment that suggests this is subretinal hemorrhage. Some internal echoes are seen behind the retinal detachment or posterior to retinal detachment, that is subretinal hemorrhage along with vitreous hemorrhage. So very classical appearance of retinal detachment. In the right eye we can see some floating membranes, right side, both sides. Now, since the patient is having some membranes are floating, along with that we can see that there is a partial retinal detachment on the temporal aspect. Here on the nasal aspect we can see that there is some retinal detachment. So retinal detachments are better seen in the low gain setting than in the high gain setting. We'll measure, since this patient is high myopic, we will also measure the axial length of this left eyeball. So axial length here is 28 millimeters, suggesting that there is increased axial length. So in high myopia we see increased axial length. On the right side also we will measure the axial length. On the right side the axial length is 29 millimeter. Again on the both sides there is high myopia, thereby the axial length has increased, along with changes of vitreous hemorrhage, retinal detachment and subretinal hemorrhage.
Here we have a case of 45-year-old male who came with a complaint of diminution of vision in bilateral eye since 3 months. The diminution of vision was sudden and painless. The patient is a known case of diabetes since 5 years on medication. Patient was diagnosed to be a case of bilateral eye retinal detachment on clinical examination. The patient has been operated in the right eye for the same by endolaser operation, and the patient is to be posted for surgery for the left eye now.
So there are cataractous changes in the lens, and in the posterior segment in the left eye we can see that there are multiple membranes. Along with that we can see that there is a वरती बघा छताकडे. Yes, on the temporal side we can see that there is a retinal detachment seen as thick highly reflecting membrane from optic disc to the ora serrata. Along with that there are multiple thick membranes in the vitreous cavity suggestive of vitreous hemorrhage. डावीकडे फिरवा डोळा. Now we will see the after movements. So the retinal detachment is not showing any after movements. इकडे उजवीकडे फिरवा डोळा. नाही नाही, मान नाही फिरवायचे, फक्त डोळा फिरवायचा. डावीकडे फिरवा डोळा. आतल्या आत डोळा फिरवा फक्त. Again, the retinal detachment is better seen in low gain setting, but for to see the vitreous hemorrhage we have to increase the gain. So some vitreous hemorrhage is also seen. We will see the right eye now. In the right eye, if we increase the setting, it is looking normal with some membrane there. In low gain setting we could not localize any membrane. I increase the setting. So some floaters are there in the vitreous cavity. Low echogenicity foci are seen, otherwise no significant finding is seen in the right eye. Again we will see in the low gain setting, so no significant findings are seen in the right eye. सर को अच्छा नाही, सर को कुछ दिखाना है कि मैं कर लू पूरे? तुम्ही करणार आहे का नंतर? एकच आहे का? करून ठेवतो. ठीक. थोड़ा सा इसको आंखें बंद रखना है जब तक मैं बोलूंगा नहीं.
47-year-old female who gave the complaint of diminution of vision in bilateral eyes, in the right eye since 2 years and in the left eye since 1 year. On clinical examination, the patient was diagnosed to be a case of bilateral retinal detachment. The patient has been operated by laser surgery in the right eye and is to be posted for operation of the left eye.
So in the right eye we can see thick echoes along with some artifacts. Is there oil inserted? Oil?
Patient has been given silicone oil in the...
Silicone oil is
Right.
instilled. So see the appearance of silicone oil. Horizontal echoes, linear echoes along with thick material inside. So this is a very typical appearance of emulsified oil, silicone oil. We will see the left eye now. In the left eye, lens shows cataract changes, and in the low gain setting we can see that it's a very classical retinal detachment. Along with that we can see the vitreous hemorrhage. We will try to see the after movements. उधर बाई तरफ आँख घुमाओ बाई तरफ. हाँ, इधर दाई तरफ घुमाओ आँख. So there are some very little moments of retinal detachment. However, the vitreous opacities, they are slightly moving. We can see the attachment of the retinal detachment. बाई तरफ जोर से घुमाओ आंख, बाई तरफ घुमाओ आंख जोर से। हाँ, इधर दाहिने तरफ घुमाओ, मेरे तरफ घुमाओ आंख, जोर से घुमाना है, घुमाते रहो, कभी इधर कभी उधर, अच्छे से घुमाओ, जोर से घुमाओ, अंदर के अंदर आंख खोलना नहीं है, आंख खोलना नहीं है, दाहिनी तरफ जोर से घुमाओ आंख, दाएं तरफ घुमाओ, मेरे तरफ घुमाओ आंख। Patient is not much cooperating, probably she has some problem. So here we can see a classical retinal detachment along with vitreous hemorrhage. So this is a retinal detachment with its attachment at the optic body, optic disc and at ora serrata. Along with that, this thick echogenic clumped echoes representing vitreous hemorrhage. Along with that, we can also see some homogeneous echoes. So the hemorrhage is in different stages. So this gives a varied appearance. Also we can see posteriorly there is a thin membrane away from the retinal surface. So this represents posterior vitreous detachment. So in this patient we are getting vitreous hemorrhage, posterior vitreous detachment and retinal detachment. So this माजी थोड़ा आँख घुमाने की कोशिश करो, मेरे तरफ घुमाओ आँख, हाँ वेरी गुड, उधर घुमाओ, सी द फ्री मूवमेंट्स ऑफ पोस्ट वीवीडी एंड विट्रियस हेमरेज, और घुमाओ एक दो बार, कोशिश करो, बहुत अच्छा, सी द फ्री मूवमेंट्स ऑफ पीवीडी, however the retinal detachment is not moving. इधर में तो वो